guys, happy Planner Wednesday, and today's spread is going to be from April the 23rd through the 29th. And I had a viewer request that I do John Wayne, so I said sure. I love John Wayne. We watch him all the time. So let me show you what I found. I saw this paper at Hobby Lobby and it just looks exactly like John Wayne would be. I mean, he was in a lot of different movies, but mostly cowboys, but he was in a lot of other ones. But this just reminded me so much of his typical, like a cowboy role. And then I saw this, and this kind of reminds me with the little chevron patterns of his vest, that leather vest that he wore a lot. It kind of reminds me of that. And then I saw this, and it reminded me of his pants. Now, I don't know if I'm going to incorporate all three colors or just these two. And then I have this washi, and I got this at Michael's. Recollections had 40% off their washi. So I went ahead. These were like, I think $4, and I got these two for 40% off. They were in one pack, so that was a good savings. And then I'm just going to use a bronze Sharpie marker, and I made my stickers. So let me go ahead and take out my pages from my planner. And I'm so glad everyone loved the Osmonds theme. I had a blast doing it. Okay, so let's cut our paper. I want this to be the dominant paper. Okay, now we're going to get this. This paper also reminds me of his saddle, that really pretty brown. Okay, let's lay our paper down like we like it. I think this is going to be gorgeous. I already love it. Okay, let's put our paper down. Oh, that's so pretty. And this paper is textured. I love it. Okay, let's figure out which washi we want to use. Okay, I think I'm going to use this right in through here because it definitely looks like wood. And you can cover that green that's peeking through slightly if you want. It doesn't really bother me that much. It almost reminds me of a fence because it's so much darker. I really love Dollar Tree washi though. It's hard to beat. It tears perfectly. And some of this stuff does not tear as good as Dollar Tree. Oh, that's going to be really pretty. And I'm going to take care of this in a minute. Okay, now I think I'm going to take this, which looks like wood as well, and put it right down to about to here. And this will cover up where that brown kind of was a little, well, it doesn't really. So we'll just go over top of this with some brown. I think I'd like the brown better. So we'll just go over top of this with some brown. Oh, that's pretty. I love that. That's so pretty. Okay, like I said, I made my own stickers and I printed this out and just cut it out. I didn't put this on sticker paper. I could have, but I really wasn't sure what I was gonna do with this. So I didn't put it on sticker paper. I just put it on some cardstock. And then you can just glue it down. Okay, and we'll put him I'm gonna put him right here. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, and then I just printed this out and I'm gonna just set it right up here like this. And then I printed the Quiet Man, where he was in the Quiet Man. I really like that. And I think to hide this, where I wrote with something else. I think I'm gonna put this right here to kind of hide that. And then I printed out where he was in Hatari. I love that movie. That was a good one too. And I'm gonna put this one right here. And I think this is from The Searchers. I'm not sure. And I'm just gonna kind of put him in between this. And then this is from Davy Crockett, or the Alamo. I think it's from the Alamo. He had so many movies to pick from. I'm gonna put it right here. And then here's another one from one of his movies where he has a gun. I just love it. And to hide this, I'm going to put this up here. Okay. And this one, he's sitting on his horse and he signed it. So I think that's really pretty. So I'm going to put this one right here. And then this is from Big Jake. I love that movie. So I think I'm going to put this one kind of split in between Saturday and Sunday. And here he is just grinning with his hat. So I think I'm going to put this one on the top right corner. I like that. And then here he is with, in McClintock. I love this movie. He was with her in The Quiet Man as well. I think I'm gonna put that one right here. And then here he is standing with his gun. I think I'm gonna put this one right here. And then this side profile, I think this is really pretty. And then how many times have we seen him come out of saloon doors? I think I'm gonna just split this one on the top like that. And then I thought this would be a really pretty one to end it. Just him on his horse with those beautiful clouds. And I'm just gonna put it right here. Oh, I love it. I think it is gorgeous. I think I'm gonna put this back in my planner and we can take a look at this. But I love it. But you could write even on these stickers, I mean on this paper, and it wouldn't hurt anything. But I just really love this. It was such a wonderful idea. I had so much fun doing this. I love how it turned out. I love the stickers. I love this washi. It has like a wood grain to it. I don't know if you can tell that, but it has like a wood grain. And this has texture, and I love that. And I love everything about this. So I hope you really enjoyed the John Wayne spread. And thank you so much for suggesting it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.